Well, hello, it's about time.
My name is Coco. I'm the youngest in this family.
I'm Kat, and I am the favorite child.
I'm Terry Dubrow.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm Terry's brother.
The good child, the favorite child.
My name's Nick, and I'm the oldest kid in the family.
The best one in the family.
Okay, I'm Max. I'm the favorite.
The better than Max.
My name is Natalie Pouchet, and I'm the favorite.
I could go on and on, but we don't want this to be an hour video.
I'm Heather Dubrow, and I'd like to think I'm the head of the household. Is that Terry? Does it have to be Terry? Does the guy always have to be the head of? You know what? I'm the head of the household. There's so much I love about this house.
What do I love about this house?
What I love about this house is that it's weirdly huge, but at the same time homey. It's hard to describe.
I like the architectural design.
The movie theater.
The movie theater.
The movie theater, definitely.
It spoils you. You can never see a movie any other place again.
Family kitchen area.
It's where we gather and have our meals, and it's a place I'll always remember as my kids growing up.
My room I love.
My room.
The pool.
The pool.
The office, that's where I spend a lot of my time.
And a champagne doorbell.
I love how much they love this house.
I am so excited to finally show you my house. Now, you might be asking, why? Why now? Why are you showing the house now? Because my kids were like, are you selling the house? Why are you filming? No, no, no. I honestly didn't even think you guys cared anymore about seeing the house, but I've been inundated with so many messages from you wanting to see the house, and every time I meet one of you on the street, you're like, so are we ever gonna see the house? So guess what? I thought about it, and yeah, let's show the house. I'm super proud of what we've built here, and I'm so excited to share it with you. But let me say this. I'm not showing you the house to show off. It's not about that. This isn't like, oh, look how fabulous my house is. Please come in and see the wallpaper. I just thought so many of you have asked me about it that I'd love to share it with you. So I really hope that you enjoy it. I know that some of you are gonna love it, and some of you are not. And some of you are gonna love to hate it, and some of you are gonna hate to love it, and probably everything in between. That's cool, I get it. I just want you to know this is supposed to be fun. I hope you enjoy it. It's kind of a little yearbook of me building this house and how my family feels about it. So I hope you enjoy it as much as we have putting it together.